Hey guys, I'm at the heart of Delray Art Gallery. This is day 5 of Supercar Week, and behind me is some of Amy Rashevsky's art. So check it out, it's pretty cool. So this is a art gallery, and Delray, I should know about this. I've never been here before, but yeah, there's some supercars parked outside. Let's check out what's here. What's wrong with the afro?
It's look like white Superfly or something.
White Superfly. Let's go, this is Don.
What's up, brother? The afro. It's killing me, big guy.
I love it.
I know. I got theme music on my phone. I got
Superfly
Superfly from Curtis Mayfield, 1971. I'm going to send it to you.
Oh,
you
man.
need this song.
Have you ever watched, what's the word?
You're terrible.
What?
What's the name of that show?
Nice afro.
I can't forget it.
Okay, it's okay.
But let me check this
What,
out real quick.
Napoleon Dynamite? No.
No.
Napoleon Dynamite.
Let me check out. This is actually a Porsche. I think this is a Porsche 356. Painted over. It's pretty cool. Do it again. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, I'm back home. So it was pretty fun. I actually never been to the Heart of Delray Art Gallery. There's a lot of art there that I found really interesting, especially the car related art. Met with some of the artists and talked to them. Wasn't really what I was expecting. I was expecting more of like a car show kind of thing, but it was actually really interesting. So the track day is tomorrow at PBIR, so I'll be checking that out, and I'll see you guys later.